Yes, guys, this is Yaswant Rajput, and in this video, I am going to give you the answer of particular one question, that is that what to do at that time when other people laugh at you whenever you speak English, because it's a very big problem in our society or in our surroundings. There are a lot of people, whenever we try to speak in English or any other things, if we are trying to learn, the other people always try to make you laugh or they laugh at you. So at that point of time, what you have to do, and obviously that is the sign that demoralize you. Suppose you are speaking with someone and you are not able to speak fluently and you are not able to speak in a good way, obviously then other people who knows a little bit English or second person who don't know anything about English, these are the two kinds of people who will laugh at you. And now the question is this, that what to do at that point of time, because who the student or the person who is speaking, he feels demoralized and he try to stop it, that what to do. And it has been a long period of time, then what should I do? So guys, in my point of view, I have some suggestion about it, that there are two options with you. There will be two options with you after you face any kind of problem like this. What you have to do, that there will be two options. The first is either you will have to give up, or second one, you will have to be continue. Then definitely if you are a serious learner, then you will choose second one. Second one means that you will be continue, because here what happens, guys, if you think positive, then what will you find, that those are the people who are telling you your real mistakes. It means they are giving you the chance to improve in your field. In your field means in English, because here we are talking about English. So they are the one, they are just giving you the chance that you are lacking behind in this particular field. And if you are a serious, then definitely rather than dropping it, rather than giving up these things, you will have to focus on that particular thing, and you will have the chance to give the response, give the answer, and retaliate for those person. That's the days, those were the days when you used to laugh at me, and today I am this kinds of learners and this kinds of speaker that I can speak, and you will have to the chance to give the answer, that just because of you today I am able to speak fluently in English. So that's the thing, by choosing the first one option, that don't try to give up, no matter that how time you have been learning English. There is nothing like this, because there is a one very best recent example I am going to tell you in this video. The one person from Karnataka, Harikela Hazabba, sorry if I pronounce wrong, Harikela Hazabba, who recently got the Padam Shri by the President of India in 2021. And what kind of story he had? Once he is a, right now also a orange vendor. And so what happened once, that one Britishers, or we can say that foreigners, came to him and he asked something in English, but Harikela Hazabba was not able to understand his English, so he laughed at him. And he laughed at him, so he thought, Harikela Hazabba thought, that if he is laughing at me, now I should do something different, that no matter I was not able to get such kind of education in my village, but now this is the time that I should do something for my this generation or my upcoming generation. And he has decided that I will set up a school in my village by own, and in that school the people who is living in that particular village, they will get a good education, and they will not have the chance to face such kinds of problems whatever I am facing right now. So that's the thing of thinking in a positive way. So this is the very motivating things to you, and we should also think in that way. Don't demoralize by others, just make strength yourself, make strong yourself by listening these kinds of comment, while listening these kinds of demoralizing kinds of things. So guys, this is the things that I want to share with you. Definitely that you will get a lot of motivation by listening these videos, and I am sure that you will apply it also. And at last I will say only one thing, that don't give up, make strong yourself. Definitely you will be a very fluent learner, because here we are talking about English learning. You will be a very fluent learner, and you will have the chance to give the answer for those people who used to laugh at you in future. So that's the thing that I wanted to share with you. Thank you guys, and keep watching the videos. If you like it, share and subscribe also. Thank you. Bye.